just wanted to give you a quick update on the soil blockers really that I did the other week, and just show you, look how wet this compost is. Yeah, this compost mix, and you can see it coming out, and hopefully you can see it coming through the top of the block there. I'm pressing it, and those are making, I'll just scrape it off on the edge. So you think it's too wet, but it really isn't, because it's making some really, really good soil blocks. Almost, you can almost get it, it's at far end of the water that you want to put in it. You think it's too wet, but really, really it isn't. You'll find that when it is so wet, is that it just drops out of the blockers itself, so it just falls out of those. But actually, I mean, that's pretty wet. And again, I'm using 2 parts coir, 2 parts peat-free multi-purpose, and 1 part perlite to get that mix. Look, and they're working really well. So I'll just show you these. So those are some of the seeds that students have sown there that are coming up nicely. The lettuce, leeks, spring onions, beetroot, and things in trays, which will prick out. But these are the onions that I sowed before into the soil blocks, and they're looking great. The lettuce too. Some of these lettuce are old seeds, which is probably why there's a few misses there. And then some more onions there that's just sowed just a bit afterwards. And the beauty with the onions is that they'll just grow on like that. You don't need to prick them out, don't need to separate them, and just plant them out straight in the garden like that.